If you're a veteran or a first-time homebuyer using a VA loan, I need to tell you something that most people won't. The VA loan is one of the most powerful mortgage benefits in America. Zero down, no monthly mortgage insurance, and flexible guidelines. And yet, I watch veterans lose money every year because they just don't understand how to use it correctly. They treat it like a regular loan, and it's not. Hi, I'm Darren Copeland with Summit Lending. I've helped veterans for over 20 years, and today I'm going to break down what the VA loan secrets are and the biggest first-time buyer mistakes that I see so you don't make them. So let's start with secret number one. Your VA loan is not a one-time use benefit. I constantly hear, I already used my VA loan, and that's rarely the end of the story. You can reuse your entitlement, and in some cases, you can even have more than one VA loan at the same time if you qualify. That means you can buy again after selling. You can relocate and keep your old home as a rental. You can also restore your entitlement. Most veterans never explore this. They assume it's gone, and it's not. All right, secret number two. The VA loan allows 100% financing, but that doesn't mean zero strategy. Yes, you can buy with no down payment, but that doesn't mean you should stretch yourself to the maximum approval amount. The biggest mistake first-time VA buyers make is asking, what is the most that I can get? Instead, they should be asking, what payment fits my life? Just because you can qualify at a 50% debt-to-income ratio doesn't mean you should live there. Home ownership should build stability and not stress. Secret number three, you can ask for seller concessions up to 4% of the purchase price. That 4% can be used to buy down your rate, to cover the funding fee, and to pay off certain debts to help you qualify. In the right market, this can dramatically reduce your out-of-pocket costs, but it has to be structured correctly. Too many buyers don't even know this exists. Secret number four, the VA appraisal is there to protect you. Some buyers hear VA appraisal and they think it's harder, and it's not harder, it's protective. The VA requires the home to meet minimum property standards. It has to be safe, sound, sanitary, and that protects you from buying a money pit. First-time home buyers sometimes waive inspections to win offers, so be very, very careful on that. Your benefit is designed to protect you. Don't work against it. Secret number five, your funding fee can be rolled into the loan. Most first-time VA buyers don't understand how the funding fee works. It's a one-time fee that keeps the VA program running, and it can be financed. And if you have a service-connected disability rating, you may be exempt entirely of that fee. That's a huge savings, but if no one explains it, you'll never know to ask. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistakes that I see first-time VA buyers make. Mistake number one, opening new credit during the process, buying furniture, financing a car, opening a store card. Every new debt changes your debt-to-income ratios and can impact your approval. So don't make any big financial moves until after you close on the house. Mistake number two, not getting fully underwritten up front. A basic pre-approval is not the same as a fully reviewed file. In competitive markets, strength matters. A strong approval gives you leverage. Mistake number three, working with someone who doesn't understand the VA structure. The VA loan has nuances. Residual income calculations, entitlement tracking, seller concession limits, and there's occupancy rules. If your lender only does a few VA loans a year, the details can get missed, and details matter, you guys. Because here's the truth. The VA loan is just not a mortgage product. It's a wealth building tool that you can buy with zero money down, build the equity, and you can refinance it later. And also you can convert it into a rental in certain situations and use the remaining entitlement again. That's how long-term wealth starts, but only if you treat it strategically, not emotionally, not impulsively, strategically. If you're a veteran or active duty service member thinking about buying your first home, don't just Google VA loan requirements and hope for the best. Let's build a plan and let's review. Let's cover your entitlement, your funding fee status, your residual income, your long-term goals, and let's structure it correctly from day one. I'm Darren Copeland with Summit Lending, and if you're in Kansas City or anywhere else that we're licensed in, just simply reach out because you've earned this benefit. Now let's make sure you maximize it, not just use it.